Welcome to the second Community Mental Health Drug and Alcohol Research Network Reflective Practice webinar. My name is Deb Tipper and I'm the Project Officer for the Research Network. Firstly, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this meeting is hosted, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, and pay my respects to elders past, present and future. I'd also like to acknowledge and value the lived experience of people recovering from either mental distress or drug and alcohol issues. Today we're again looking at an issue of great importance, that of substance use amongst consumers of the drug and alcohol service. The journal article discussing the research was recently published in the journal Mental Health and Substance Use. I thank Adam Zimmerman, the lead researcher and co-author of the article, for his involvement in today's webinar. We're particularly pleased to be highlighting this research as it was funded through a Mental Health Coordinating Council and Network of Alcohol and Other Drug Agencies Mental Health and Drug and Alcohol Research Grants Initiative, funded by New South Wales Health. This initiative was one of the stepping stones towards the establishment of the Research Network. Two other articles which discuss research similarly funded by the initiative were published in the same journal, whilst the International Journal of Mental Health and Addiction has published other work funded through this initiative. We're very proud to be involved in supporting these pieces of research. These reflective practice webinars are designed to provide you with a chance to assess, discuss and analyse recent and relevant research and to consider how the findings of the research may impact on the work you do. Please take the opportunity during the webinar to ask questions. There's also a short questionnaire as you leave the webinar, which I'd appreciate you completing in order to assist in our planning of future events. For your colleagues who missed the chance to participate, they'll be able to view the webinar online. We'll post the link onto the Community Mental Health Drug and Alcohol Research Network website. We're very fortunate to have as our facilitator Dr. Catherine Mills, Senior Lecturer and National Health and Medical Research Fellow at the National Drug and Alcohol Research Centre at the New South Wales University. Catherine's also a member of the Project Reference Group for the Research Network, and it's with great pleasure I now pass you over to Catherine.
Thanks, Deb, and welcome everybody to our second webinar, and welcome Adam. Thank you very much for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Just to reiterate what Deb was saying, that the purpose of these webinars that we're having is to help participants to be able to read publications critically and appraise their value in terms of informing clinical practice.